Guys, this is so sad. This gannet is just sitting in the road. That's so sad. He's just sitting there and he's too ill to move. He's beautiful. That's so heartbreaking, isn't it? And you can't do anything to help them. Oh, baby, I'm so sorry you're not... Oh. Look how beautiful he is.
I know, they're really bonny birds.
And you can't even say get better because he won't get better now. That's what they did in Fuller. They just sat there. Oh, baby. You're just beautiful. Maybe on flu. I'm not close to him, guys. I've got a high zoom on. But he's such... I just wanted you to see how sad it is. The amount of dead birds. It's heartbreaking. Oh, baby. I'm so sorry. I've got a high zoom on my camera, guys. Oh, it's so beautiful.